Hi, and welcome to the Bella Life Planner. This is a Notion template that you can use. It has a ton of templates that are useful for either morning routines or if you're trying to track your goals, or if you're tracking workouts or meals. It's just really your all-in-one life planner. So let's start from the beginning. You have your dashboard here. I have here a vision board, and of course you can keep it as is, or you can just create your own vision board. If you're interested in doing your own, you can head over to Canva. They do have a free version. I'm sure you'll be able to create something beautiful that motivates you throughout the year. So you can install that here in this section. Also here at widgetbox.app, you'll be able to download the clock and the weather widgets here. So you can change colors if you'd like, just whatever it's, to your liking or to your aesthetic. Over here you have all of the trackers. This is just basically like an easy hub where you house all the trackers, and it's just really like your all-in-one like dashboard. We have a month at a glance over here. You can insert important dates on this side so you don't forget. And then I also added some motivational podcasts here at the bottom. You can change the podcast to whatever you like. These are just a few of my faves, and so I added those for easy listening. And then you go on to your planner, which you have like your top today's top 3. Your also monthly view for the calendar, a little section for your habit trackers, and then down here you have a weekly planner and a daily planner. These you can collapse here with this toggle right here, and every single week, whenever you're done, you can just drag these onto the weekly archive, so you can always go back to it whenever you need to. The same with the day planner. You have a schedule here from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., your to-dos, and then also don't forget your daily gratitudes for the day. Moving on to your morning and night routines, they're basically almost identical. You have a little checklist over here that you can check out. Of course, you can switch it up to whatever you'd like, and then also your running habits tracker here at the bottom. The same with the night routine. You have a checklist. Then you have annual goals, which will have, again, the vision board, so you can stay, motivated. Some to-dos that you want to do for personal health and wellness or career. Sorry, you might hear my dog shaking. Then your monthly goals you can enter here. Your habit tracker, again, everything is customizable, so you could change it to whatever you'd like. I just basically put on here that, like running, meditated, got your rest, journal, then you can just check it off as you go. And that translates it to all the other shortcuts in these other templates. A few affirmations if you're ever needing a little motivational pick-me-up. You can just refer back to this template. There is a weekly resets routine on here as well, and also a monthly reset routine that you can check out. Your meal planner, I think this one is actually really cool because you can plan out your meals throughout the day. You can also upload your own recipes, so it's really easy to refer back to the recipe right here. So I suggest doing this maybe on a Sunday, just kind of uploading the recipes and the ingredients that you're going to need for the week, and then maybe going on that Sunday to go shop. So you also have your grocery list, which of course you can alter this to whatever you'd like. And then your workout planner as well, so you can stay on top of your fitness goals. You can also, again, upload your workouts. So down here you have a workout library, and if you click on the URL, it'll take you to like the YouTube video. So it's just like, it's basically your all-in-one. Like, you don't have to go fishing for it. Like, it's just all here. Then the budget planner, if you're budgeting for a trip or you want to buy something, you can just enter all your expenses and your income here to kind of keep you on track with your money goals. And then finally here, your reading tracker. This is one thing that's been useful, is having a reading tracker so that I know like where I'm at, how many books I want to read within the year, and then you can, kind of keep track of that progress as the year goes on. So I think this is so cool to just kind of like see it firsthand. And I love it because at the end of the year, you can kind of look back and see all your progress, all the books you read, and just feel really good about yourself. So I hope this Notion planner is helpful for you. And yeah, thank you so much for purchasing.